to no dodoɔ na ne ho mpanyin nsɛm nyinaa ne sɛ bɛn 1940s hɔ baabi 49 hɔ baabi ɔmo gye to mu sɛ yɛnka mbom na yɛyɛ namfoɔ nti fa wakodeɛ ne usika ne nyinaa yɛnka mbom na yɛnte soja kakraka sɛ ɔtamfoɔ bɛka yɛ nipa baako a asɛm bɛba. And to some of you are matwiti and now sending emails ebi nso attest me DM me say ombeso muti ase de ntia Russia ni Ukraine ntokwa ekoso ene samre ya we mu di omu ho agimu no ne tofani Nhyira FM.
Oh yeah! Come on!
Nhyira
104.5 FM.
Me shall say from Russia and Ukraine. Russia any Ukraine ntokwa no say netie tete pa no na kro kakraka pa ewo ho baako ne efe no Soviet Union na sa Soviet Union no na ye wona on say wiase ye wo Western Bloc ene wo Eastern Bloc ye ka Western Bloc na omomu wo the western part of the country no nti ebeka ne say Italy, France, Belgium, Japan, USA. Omunyina were the Western Bloc. And the Eastern Bloc no, and akwakoye to say Russia for ne, China for ne, North Korea for ne, sanko for no. Now in diplomacy no, you be balance of power. Balance of power nene say. It is said there were MPP in opposition now. Imagine saying ke wo NDC nkwa na wo man mu a so nim de besi e che so mbeye de omo pe enti say MPP for wo ho no MPP wo opposition no omo ensure say NDC for nya de omo pe na mom omo be make sure say oye de tire no anase constitution no eka enti enyitu omo bebrebe ni say Russia for a super power akode enipa etuo saa pepepe nso na USA fo nso saa akode ni etuo ni nabusiafo na de etia ne se first no na ye friend krofo bi G8 greatest 8 saa nkrofo ni ye kuro akese maako wotwe a na first no wo mu nyina kohia no madwene online ani wiase ho na ntine wo Italy for, USA for, France for, Japan for, and UK. Omunyina ke kaboma plus Russia na G8. Eche no mu hu say omu kosia G8 no Russia for ne nhyedan for madwen emma wo mu bebre eye enso na aka no. Iti Russia hu say ye di USA ne France ne Japan achi a emfa. Enti omu so kwoti wo mu ho. Enti wo mu nso yi Russia free mu ema ni free G8 greatest 8 be ye greatest 7 Russia nso koye no ena one China one Cuba one North Korea enso kokabo mu a wo mu nso make sure say wo ye US ni na ye wadwen say sisi yen a ye nso ye ntwe ma sisi yen enti ye nso ye nkrofo e wo kuro bi so no say US for example Syria na Bashar ona na atena so na USA for mpenasem to USA for ye na adwen say Syrian president mu koyi no Russia for say untimi ma ho eye ntokwa ebi ti say Venezuela no your president bi oda so ye fe no Maduro eye president for Venezuela watena so acha na ono so was Southern America on say Mexico for ni Venezuela for ni sanko for no omu nso eye na USA for ni omu nhia including Cuba. Enti sa ankofo ne Cuba ne Mexico ne Venezuela no dodo na nso omunamfo nom eye anaso omunamfo eye Russia. Enti se US for pese omuba babia ye Russia for eye nko a na Russia for abem na US for atwe mu ho. Na intokwani bi nie. US for ne Russia for wo agreement ye fra bi treaty. Treaty ne say babia menamfo for wo no uye US ni a member ho. Onso meme ye Russia yi baby USA onamfofo wo ho no meme nko ho efri se durumre bi nanka Russia for pese anka wo mu ba Cuba because Cuba ye omunamfofo but what happened omo di omo ship no nam ewie ye kan say ensuo mu a wo mo ba Cuba no essence Cuba any USA for say be we North America no we South America enti na USA for suro say ma USA for kwan ni say omo ma message omo base Russia for so omo message omo base e wo Cuba wan hwe ya omo be gina so ahwehwehwehwe omo di telescope ene afidie be check de ekoso wo USA enti USA for catch Russia for say omo ship no enko enye sa obe blast omo nyina
Nhyira FM.
Enti USA for antwe ama Russia for amfa omo kudie ambegu Cuba because na omo suru. Now, me catch us Soviet Union no. Na first Ukraine ni Russia ni Romania ni omo nyina keka ho aye Soviet Union no. And around 1990s ho baby no. Ukraine for car say yate ho every Russia and other countries nso tete wo mu ho. Nemom Russia for who say Ukraine for ye nuanom dada. Now so matemo ho a eye fine. Na president na owo so dada no. Ono de na oni Putin or ye Russian president no. Omo ye namfo pa problem bi ani ho. In fact omo nyina kasa baako. Nemom ekire na wo mo to aba no. Eno mo to ma Vladimir Zelensky. Ono na se o ye Ukraine president. Na ono ne baye no in fact no ye comedian o te senka ha ye mfa ne se bia Lewin ana Jacobi ane ho osere pa ana Akabineza ane ho osere pa na oye so be politics sense dodo na pena asem no e na Ukraine for kotoma no na Ukraine for kotoma ni wie ye no e na opere so ma the Western Bloc medical can Western Bloc near USA for Italy France for UK for Eda ne say Branebe join NATO end of Alliance Treaty Organization yi be join yen na efa wontoma bebo ye dia no na afi yembo wo ho ban enti sankrofo US ni UK for da Ukraine say on me join NATO but Russia say Ukraine ye nianom mo se matemo ho a fine nemom men ko joining NATO because o ko joining NATO a obema ho kwan ama NATO for because mo be join pe NATO for betimi aba Ukraine se o mo ba o mo benya akwanya no mo de camera si yen Russia for so wan hwe ya e de nsem beba because they say countries atwa Russia ho ahia no dodo na joining NATO enti wo Ukraine won so be join a problem beba enti men ko wo de obetimi aye ho non-allied movement. There's a non-allied country to say Ghana no. O de ugina mfimfin. Yenka also join Russia fine, but men ko join NATO. Enye sa wo kwa problem beba. But still, tio abrofu US ni UK for esa na dwemboni nti. Omo da comedian na maniji tu mu say bra na Russia for ntimi nya hwe. Na omo ye omadwen a ye beba ba abeko. Eno ne ntokwa no enti Russia say Ukraine menko osemeko menko eno ye na adwen se wono omudi nkomo no Putin say se waso odin a menua ketwa no enti metia
Nhyira FM
ene ntokwa na ekofa Russia ni Ukraine nyoma ne bae no na de etia ne say sa ma na man no ye G7 no nyina de oma ho odin na Joe Biden wo ho no oye president of USA no or the sika close over $300 billion and the koshe wo mumu say omonje mfanto etuo no mo ni Russia for nko sesi aye ka say yenim de Russia Ukraine war na Russia for say Ukraine pasa because of aswording. Now what is happening now? Sesi aye ka say Ukraine omuguso enti na nse omu ba Donald Trump say Donald Trump you o president o predecessor wo ye Biden o ma ye sika enti ma ye sika Donald Trump say me mouse size no yin hunu me mouse ka se fa kokonto kwa because in so bia ni so maka che Russia for so munyai musu munya na mo pese ye be support mo de a ene mo wa agudie bi wo ho ma me kwan me US ma ye kwan ye metu be $500 billion agudie no ma ye metu ye betu de a ene ye japade wo Ukraine say ye japade ba Ukraine na Russia for ntimi ma ema ye o madwen se omu ne ye ko
Nhyira FM
nti eno na ekonkon ho mesan saa ene na nsen a Ukraine president Koya Donald Trump on ne kontokwa bebre na omugu so e kasa asem no nti eno asem kra e wo ho a yentimi nkun wieye. In fact ena no pay as we speak Russia for ato bomb akoku nipa 70 e wo Ukraine because Zelensky NATO meeting bi baso nti na o ka kire NATO for ne say samaye mo adwen say mo be dada sa comedian na me de me blast sa kro na kopim say mo be ja o masem amomo. In fact Putin say Russian president say right now ade ba ko e be manage sa ntokwa ne bomb na bomb Ukraine no ene say sa president Zelensky no obefri so onya free so dia ene obejai right now there oni kasesie bia oni bibi obeka jese president na free so nti entokwa eden
Nhyira fan
eno kra mpo no na yenia no MPP for the Russian Ukraine na yasum anda no ya wo hwa na Israel for so ne Hamas for die nti na Israel ne Hamas for ko ebise makatra wo say Old Testament mu no Israel for so say biaye Israel Gaza ka ho no eyomudia nanso mekira wo say 1948 a omohwete ye omoba back no na Palestinian 40 asase no so enti na Palestinian for wo masase na Israel for so asase no ba Palestinian for say Gaza ho no ye dia na Israel for say Gaza ho nya dia ye Israel for dia enti Hamas for no na agya tum say omo ne Israel for be kwa twene time and then my Israel for so bufu ya 7th October last 2 years Hamas for call Israel baby ekoku nkrofo SSA eche nkrofo bi prison for bi call Palestine Hamas Israel for no so ayo imagine say ene ye beku ne asew ne age ye nkrofo no enti sa ntokwa no ewo ho yenka bi shemu ena Iran for ni Israel because Israel for so say Iran for na support Hezbollah Lebanon support Hamas for Palestine eninti si e makwan a wanhwa Iran for be show mu kutu pa mo ma ba be say Israel enti ene ye ntena ho ye nso ye betian eno na last week o baby no eye Netanyahu oye prime minister of Israel ye na agin say obetutuo ene bomb akosay Iran kakra ene Iran for say ye tie baby na ye nka wo na wo kra ye miu for be 20 years now ye wa adwin say obe mafia yen a ye nso ye be mafia eno Iran for nso ayo madwin so be mafia mu. In fact as we speak Israel for to bomb there now so for the first time Iran for mafia if I mafia Israel for pa o ma sese nyoma in fact the na no pay kra before say ebeka say omunya ntokwa no as we speak Iran for in fact o ma sese nyoma o ma kunipa ni bi because first no na the tiende say enra no maka to say US for wo base bi wo ho na sa base no e wo Qatar na Qatar for kra den komo namfo nompa ye Iran because Qatar for you imagine say ye de empentokwa ye gina mfimfin enti ye pasumdie na esani say na no bi bomba no US for edisa plane kakraka no ko Bombay 3 sites nuclear sites eye kodie wo hia man a etimi sei nipa ni wiase no baabi miensa bi omususu say Iran for eye sa bomb no US for ko say no nti Iran for nso kan say so ma say na ye nso ye beti bi ahwiamo eno na enra ye ka say omutoto missiles mako 18 say omude ko baabi a US for mu base omasase ne wo e wo kata no na oma say nneoma no but as we speak instant carrier they say out of 18 or 17 the omo papa no wiem ena ba ko pekoto baabi a na ni kwan say eto
Nhyira fan
na US president Donald Trump say in fact Iran for monsoma tutu bia na me kra me damase because mo ba beto tutu no mudi kan ka kire ye say yenso ye ba beto tutu enti mato kakra he say obia entinda ena wa ka kire Israel for ni Iran for say obia nya ntokwa no na afi monka asumdie nsem ena no pay Iran ni Israel for agia tumu se afi omo de beto kakra na ntokwa no omo atombu ase kakra nti asem den se omo yesa no ama wiase fango na ekosoro no say eba form nanso a volatile and nanso ye can be Strait of Hormuz ehona plane efa ehona oil bebre no so efa because you say China for there ehwa na omu oil 40% efa 7% US for ehwa no mufa ena miamia bebre planes nso fa sa Iran ehono nti say aman nyoma ni bebre aye hu kakra right now no yeguso aye monitor scene no ne ye hwe de ekọ but utie pa na entokwa no eye tumi Iran for susu se tumi ewo ho Israel for susu se eye tumi nanso ye ka ni nyina no se ukọ US a omo nche se Donald Trump ni ono nko a tumi se osori anopa because e ka war a se wo hwe history a time bia president bia peso okọ ntokwa no for example John Dramani Mahama entimi nya na adwen se ono nko a ekọ ntokwa muntie
Nhyira
se yemfa ni se Togo fo ene Cote d'Ivoire fo ne Ghana eko a ansa na John Dramani Mahama president be na adwen se okoko sa ntokwa no gese waba parliament parliament ne beji atum se kwa na asa menko because eba ntokwa utumi no wo limitation nti ye say Donald Trump na nkrofo a wo mu wo Senate say ye support Mr. President but sa ntokwa na wo coin no na wo say wo ba for approval because enya ntokwa bia na eko nti sa patapa no jai nti se aye ka say Donald Trump kra nkrofo ni bi kra ka say de Donald Trump ye no onto ne boase de nti ne ye ka say asemi ye ka we efri say we ase yi mu no sa nkrofo we ene dictate maye we ase yi mu US for ka no ho ebeka Ghana for Russia for ka no ho ebeka Ghana for Iran for ka no ho ebeka Ghana for Israel for ka no ho Middle East na ebeka Ghana for ebeka Africa ebema nneoma bo ayeden na tie sesi America say ye fra bibi maritime insurance ne say sa wo ship na ya o de container esim no container no sim no say etufa insuo no so na eba oma insure ayete say omunso wa insurance o because onioma ne betimi atonsuo nim enti ship na etu a ye wo bi a insurance o make sure say ship no say bibi say a ana etonsuo nim a ye betua woka na esan Iran ni Israel war no say sa insurance na e wo ship de ndo mutua no e cost by 60%.
Nhyira FM
60% ne kire say wan hwe ye pe na container na wo de kra nneoma eba Ghana ha no se be kosoro efri se me insurance ne boa wo soro a e kire say mema wo container no say container ne $1,000 a me de be ko be $2,000 because sa insurance sika no e wo se wo a wo kra nneoma fa container fa nsuo so no wo na wo se wutua nti se aye kasei aye den wan hwe ya wonom kofa nneoma free abrochire no because of insurance maritime insurance eye ship na ne nam nsuo so ene ho insurance ne kosoro by 60% no wo hamu nchichemu aduosia no very likely say wan hwe ya na wo nneoma na wo kra ba no o chiranko na ate afa so abusia we are say Eddie.
Oh yeah! Come on!
Nhyira 104.5 and more ding.
Yeah, Nana.
Update kakra no.
Nana. And I believe say Mendra me who pushed no Donald Trump and the page no. In fact, I was happy say peace kakra. You know, now they have resolved to say omobe maintain peace and then cease fire. And na man for Donald Trump, you know, I say. And unim say in terms of conflict management in such situations when we were so many strategies. Na maybe can say which I agreed say Donald Trump was using cohesive peace strategy. A been so be friend cohesive diplomacy.
Yeah.
Say obebo modena I say afani afan kumba say oka omunti nti da say obehwe de o mbre no na wahyɛ ne yam nti ɔte pain no afei de okay afei de megyae ana afei de meyɛ din ana sɛ de ne ho adin okura no ma bebre na ofin sɛ we de metumi abɔ na pampam ti e ka no obɛyɛ din no na wabɔ na afei waka no wayɛ din afei de bɛyɛ kakra ohu sɛ ne ntaban no emu bubu a afei de obɛka no na otie. And I agree to that assertion say I think that was the strategy and Donald Trump want to use and will use you on Iran.
As a kakrebu, yeah, patawa
na wonya ina. So one say mu zemene na na ekon na slim matrufu mienu ne yakun na budo bia begina wo patai ni nti wo hwede na no bia me na me prese me nyaya obu se matru no no waso me mu amiamia wo se afekura me nya home ave bejai me ngo bia bejai nti I think Trump was using that coercive diplomacy no and as a coercive peace strategy no they are stopping. And it's working because the reports by on say Iran fire short score and almost shots almost fire from Trump information air nature say they shot those particular missiles down. About 14 of them. 13 you shooting it down. One the car na ko baby enche dey here until they just left it like that. It means say Trump knows what he was doing.
Yeah.
Say opese bi o che Iran say there's a powerful force be a war. So when Jaya it could escalate and a bedroom level be a massa emfa a hima. And then another part is also yeah me then say Trump has also spoken to Israel. Someone so yena memfa say banem now munyai. Of which they now penal ya be we see nuclear site or mu ye nuclear weapon enti na we yam hihye so mo de beba so ne ade America ma bedwire free ho. It say wo how ntokwa na agusu a wo kono wo kon say die biem. I believe that now baby o madru no Iran and Israel should understand say the war should be over. I mean, I know Donald Trump can say by 12 hours. They are expecting to say within 24 hours. 6 hours time, Israel will cease. And then within 24 hours, we expect Iran to actually cease fire. And you say within the next 24 hours. You better say entokwa air kosono omu nyina yeden ejai ye ka say twim ye nunya entokwa ewuwure mu a na se nuane nubra ne huna mane ye ya yetete ntwia ne ade a ye perfemu ye ne ebehuna mane o any ade nti I know that by the grace of God any de akono enoma be sisi a ebeye din na nato na wo kan wo mu ayi omu we and I will show mu article 5 of omu ayi omu treaty ye a nana they are not just there say bia omo war no omo ku they are just to defend themselves to have a defensive military enti omo no dise bibia sia say obi taught one of the countries so rare na omo nyina akoboa enti omo article 5 no say say wo ka ba akwa wa kan nyina so enti touch all enti ade ana ekoso America koye Iran operation ade ana me na metiwa na me yemhihye me ne say if another country be fin say or you aligned to Iran and that country comes in to do something smaller ebekiki ama omunso aba because if you go and attack America you know say it's with NATO and with their treaty no they will all come in and I would say powerful nations with the UK Germany and the others I mean omo a year omo strong and no na misro kakra but by be I think that she said the nyame adom say bibia everywhere you puma kwa mu dia within 24 hours maximum of maybe expectation there by 48 hours no ne hu feedback e ba na bibia tumi asi no mo so a eja no mo de aye yi se mo unse ba se your business community no eno ma bo be de be ye no ma take advantage no e say nyame agumu ani mu ase because it's easy dia munya mfa mu ye biem oil for ne those companies na no ma bo ade no kra nya ntumu no o mo pese o mo tum say yate so kakra I think it's about 70 and it's good for I mean the world global market on oil it's ye bompa
ebeba said be next window no
sure
petrol ne nkosoro for the G7 countries ye Canada your France, your Germany, your Italy, your Japan, your UK, and your USA. Into Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan, UK, and USA. And now your additional participants to be and we EU, European Union. You understand? So let's just like Okai, a more of alliance. Into about 30 countries.
Yeah, now they are about 32 as of now, which are strong.
Very, very. So we can be able to. So imagine say UK for the Gym, na Canada for the Diaba, na why do Diaba.
Already within the 1940s, almost free 12. Now they are about 32. I mean, almost how many men? Sure.
Go no me so many Ukraine now. And they're very fast.
Yes,
so they attack Russia.
Yes.
But you see, the entire Russia surviving is China, so very strong now.
Yeah.
It is say China no almost so cardio baby.
Yeah.
Into Russia and China alone, me destabilize our man.
Now, would you my dear very interesting what China?
Yeah.
All more weapons no more developing. As of maybe America develop B2, I am $2 billion. No. China can develop the same thing, but very moderate with materials are any so much expensive.
Yeah.
It wouldn't China share combat and answer war. What happens is that who spending more. China you see similar little material, no, but no spending less because the way we see no. Or very affordable and also planes no cry jets are eco fighting yeah. Most of China jets no a bit cheaper than the other compared to we no. But as to the efficacy no, that's where the challenge is. But with me I can say China ko more or no spending much as America and others will spend based on how we develop our weapons. It is one of the interesting aspects of China. We go developing our mind. Our plane be cry and no suitimi dodgy radar no sir. Omugusu more advances on between now military capacity in terms of Nipankasa men, military men and women near there come with China will be technologies were more advanced. And it tells you say said the can say on economic hub coming omunye scan so ebe mo ho ayedin yi because they will be able to get the money to buy quality normal de be those weapons advanced weapons na ebe ko denim ti China hu coming to the military front in kakra wo mo build ba.
All right. Yentie sounds ne kakra de ekoso ewo. Inti e bomb nkwa na wote se eye adwuma no. Imagine say wuti ufie na anwumre de wotie ani. Wo de hwe. Imagine say wuti ufie na de wotie.
Nhyira fan.
Inti we eye tuo de bomba na nenam kata wiem na nenam kata wiem. It wasn't easy. Nemum Pope Leo.
Yeah.
Wakasa.
Okay.
Wakasa Pope Roman Catholic so for penny wakasa efantokwana ekono ho.
Okay.
Nemu we o kan wo Latin.
Anu de je wa.
Risolve I problemi, anzi li amplifica e produce ferite profonde nella storia dei popoli, che impiegano generazioni per rimarginarsi. Nessuna vittoria armata potrà compensare il dolore delle madri, la paura dei bambini, il futuro rubato. Che la diplomazia faccia tacere le armi, che le nazioni traccino il loro futuro con opere di pace, non con la violenza e conflitti sanguinosi.
Pope nsema o kan nyina ne say o say war does not solve a problem. And tokwa enye no say we akon ye de etuo eno na eboa ma asumdie ba.
Debi.
Yesa nipo mbewu enkwada mbewu mamfo mbewu no sika bie nu ebetimi de saa enkwana ba.
Sure.
Inti yenyai niema diplomacy kasa enye adwuma chain se ebeye ntokwa no.
Yeah.
Eno na Pope na oka ewo Latin mu no.
Oya de na no hwam. And on so buy so nche na we abishia no. And this statement is so confirm say he's a man of peace.
Yes.
And he Pope yedanase. I mean omu ne nkofo omu kasa bia ewum I we ase nyina atie. And I believe say anya hwe kra Israel baby a ya locating say nyamesuma nkasa wo whether the Jewish or the Christian I think say Pope kasa ide wo munti na wo mun sisi fire my as ya tete say eba no
bra Facebook never share CFM aeroplane kakra CFM kakra no etimi enoma ebetimi aso a wiasem ha no
enya asem geto na say it means for plane
na sa plane no kra ne bo no etimi sisa Ghana shebre
yeah
etimi sisa Ghana shebre
e fa other planes
etimi sisa Ghana shebre
na the weight ne nya agro
ai because on helicopters nko a efa eni nyoma nko a efa no
yeah
aha timi carry nyoma
cargo plane
cargo pa tie na wie ma no no jai a etimi sisa Ghana shebre enti oba Facebook a update kakra ye de ebra wo no afi yamra fi